to discuss about our topic pollution. So, firstly, I will introduce my group members to you all. She is Chandni Bharti, she is Madhuri, she is Shruti, she is Anushka, and she is Ansika. Now, one by one, they will introduce themselves to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandni Bharti. I read in class 6th. I am a student of the Bings Foundation Academy.
Jain everyone, my name is Madhuri. I read in standard 6A and my today topic is prevention of air.
Jain everyone, my name is Shruti from class 6A. I am here to tell you about water pollution, noise pollution, etc. Jain everyone, my name is Anushka Bharti from my standard 6A. My topic is air pollution, causes and effect. Thank you. Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ansika Kumari. I read in class 6A. Today my topic is soil pollution and its causes.
Now, let's start our topic pollution. Before knowing that, we will know what is pollution, some harmful, unwanted and unnecessary particles present in nature and disturbing our natural environment called the pollution. There are mainly 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So firstly, we will know about the water pollution, its prevention, its causes and its diseases. So Shruti will tell us about everything about the water pollution.
Water pollution is a type of pollution that is caused by some unwanted and unnecessary products that get mixed into water and make water unsafe for human beings, living creatures also. Its causes are water pollution is caused by some toxic substance, chemicals, products that throw in water. And it is also caused by using of fertilizers and manure that is harmful for our soil, washing animals, animal wastes, utensils in water bodies can also harm our ecosystem. Also the causes of water pollution are: it is also caused by using many type of chemical substances, plastics that come from our industries and make water very toxic and chemically. The preventions of water pollution are: water pollution can be prevented by many methods like avoid washing animals, chemical substances in water bodies. Also, we should not throw garbages, chemicals, products in water bodies. Treat sewage and industrial waste before releasing it. Nuclear wastes from nuclear power station also harm our water bodies as they reduce some harmful radiation which not kill only aquatic animal. They cause some disease like typhoid, cholera in human beings that live in coastal areas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for explaining that well. Now we will discuss about the water pollution and its causes. So Anushka will tell us about the water pollution and its causes. Air pollution and its causes.
Air pollution. Air pollution release harmful substances such as hydrogen, carbon monoxide and sulfide into air. It's called air pollution. Harmful effect of air pollution are: air pollution can cause a breathing problem, heart diseases and cancer in human and animal. Soot and accident can damage building and monuments, contributing to heart attack and cancer in human and animal. Causes of air pollution are: large scale deforestation, increased carbon dioxide into the air, burning fossil fuel, agricultural activity like using fertilizer, pesticides and etc. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Madhuri for tell the prevention of the air pollution.
Prevention of air pollution: first, growing more trees; second, looking for eco-friendly non-polluting source of energy; third, minimizing the number of automobiles by using carpooling, walking instead of using automobiles for a short distance; fourth, installing converters in factories to convert harmful gases into harmless ones. Thank you.
Okay, now I would like to call Anshika for explaining the soil pollution and its causes.
Soil pollution and its causes. Soil pollution is the degradation of land due to the presence of human-made chemicals or other
alternations in the natural soil environment such as heavy metals, pesticides and industrial waste. Next, causes of soil pollutions are first agricultural chemical. Intensive farming including the overuse of pesticides, fertilizers and herbicides. Second, industrial waste, improper disposal of toxic waste, petroleum, hydrocarbons and heavy metals from mining or manufacturing. Third, waste management, improper disposal of household trash, plastics and sewage. Fourth, urbanization, construction debris and pollution from urban expansion. Thank you.
Okay, now Chandni Bharti will explain us about the noise pollution, prevention of the soil pollution.
Prevention of soil pollution. Use two dustbin to waste. Use two dustbin to throw waste and use chemical free manure. Thank you.
Okay, now we will learn about the noise pollution. Some harmful and excessive amount of unwanted noises that are in natural environment, that contaminating our natural environment, are called noise pollution. So Shruti will tell us about the causes and prevention of noise pollution, how we can prevent it and why the noise pollution is increasing so much.
Causes of noise pollution are traffic noise and heavy equipments used in factories, construction work like drilling, hammering, etc., transportation like cars, airplanes, truck, etc., and also loudspeakers that we played in any celebration or family function. Also, the preventions of noise pollution are: noise pollution can be prevented by many methods like avoid limit on loudspeakers and construction work. Also, grow more plants as they absorb sound, create a green belt zone around schools or hospitals. Follow the limitations of loudspeakers and noise pollution. Thank you.
Okay, if we take an example of diseases, there are also many types of diseases occurred by the noise pollution. So if we take an example, we saw that tinnitus and permanent deafness and less in the power of hearing. So thank you for listening us with very concentration. Now I wanted to end this discussion, but I want to say something. We have learned about the many types of pollution and they all are occurring, and the main reason of increasement of all the pollutions is the human activities. So we should stop it all. Thank you so much.